A lot of groundwork and homework has to be done to introduce your new and exciting product to the market. Dive into this video and access our PPT deck showcase to have an actionable strategy ready for your important product launch. Grab this template bundle for a successful product launch. Even better, get up to 15% off with a click on the link below. As with any other project, we help you ask the big questions: what, who, why, how, and where. This will give you complete clarity to launch your innovative solution. This template bundle is here for you to get your team ready to execute the channel partner training plan. This PPT slide is your insight into what the market and your competitors look like at the moment. This way you can polish your product launch plan. Navigate your product launch with a foolproof strategy. Access our comprehensive product launch go-to-market strategy, PPT, via the link below. A product launch is special, but you need to map the revenue and costs beforehand to ensure that it adds value to the business you are running. With the beta test on its way, you need a complete overview, a timeline, and of course the feedback to improve your product to be the best it can be. Use this template to ensure you are learning continuously from past projects. Analyze the support and resources you will need to make the product launch rock. Track your product with this comprehensive tracker on the major variables of communication, deployment, and more, with task status outlined in standard colors of green, red, and yellow. Thanks for sticking with us. But that's not all, folks. Visit Slide Team to find many more such PPT decks.